Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Today, I finally received my IPSY Glam bag for March. So, if you're interested in seeing what's in this bag, please do stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I hope you guys been doing well. And today, as I said, I do have my IPSY Glam bag, and it is quite late. And I had to actually reach out to IPSY this month and say, hey, what gives? It says it's been delivered, but I've not received it. And it says it was delivered in a locker. I'm like, what locker? And so, yeah, it finally did show up in my mailbox yesterday, which is Saturday, the 27th. So it's quite late because I did receive my the Glam Plus, I guess about a week and a half ago, I think. And so, yeah, it's been really running late lately, and I don't know why that is. And so, yeah. But without further delay, let's get it open. And I was hoping it didn't get lost. And it looks like this is not very secure. That's kind of weird. It was like not stuck here. That opened quite easy. My Glam Plus the other day felt really hard to open, but that's okay. But yeah, I just hope everything is in here. And so the reason why I really wanted this Glam bag is because my choice, what I chose, I remember it. Why do I remember it? Because I like that product so much. And they had it I was really surprised to see it in a Glam bag. So I definitely got it. I'm sure it's a teeny tiny bottle compared to my regular size one, but that's okay. So I know I like it. Okay, so as you know, this is the bag for the month, and it is a bag for the Women's Month. So let me take a look and see if I see a card in here, because I do have a couple of add-ons, and so I want to share those with you as well, but I want to see if I have a card. And I do. Again, this is Stronger Together. And this was the theme for March, like I said, and it has all of the information as far as add-ons and when they can separate you from your money in the bag. But different from the Plus, the Glam Plus, is that they do have what you actually got, because there's so many little variation. I mean, it's only one choice, so all they have to do is make cards for the potential, 4 or 5 variations it could be. And so, yep, I just go ahead and put that aside. But let's go over what's inside my bag here that is not a part of the bag, which I'm gonna have to look here because I don't remember. Okay, here we go. The first thing that I added on is this Demi Matte lipstick, and this is by Huda Beauty. And the reason why I got this is because I like their lipsticks, their liquid lipsticks, a lot. It actually really lasts. And this one here is called the Boy Collector, and you see the color. And this is a little bit of a tomatoey color of red, which, it's not the best color because I look better in the cooler tones, which is that blue, blue undertone type of red. So yeah, but it's okay because it still works. And then the other thing I got here, I want to make sure this is not something that came with the bag. Nope, it is a duo, and this is the Patrick Ta. This was a Patrick Ta. I missed the, even though for the Glam X, I did get the blush. I did not get the eyebrow tamer. And so they had it as an add-on. And so I did go ahead and get it. And here it is. And this is for taming the eyebrows. I know there's a big deal that's going on right now as far as, I guess, the Anastasia, the freeze, the brow freeze. But I barely have eyebrows, so I don't need anything like that. And so I did get this one, but let's see how this opens, first of all. These things are, oh yeah. And this is, I guess, is there something on it? No, it just looks like this. And then it comes, I believe, with a brush. I think so. Yeah, it looks like that, right? It looks like a brush, please. Let it be a brush. Because I don't have this type. Oh, yeah, here it is. Because I saw this. I said, I really want that brush. It's got that. Because this is so fine, this brush here. And this is really nice. And they're usually really expensive in the ABH site. And this is perfect. This is that rough. Yeah, I like it because the other ones are so flimsy. The ones that you might use for like eyeliner. But then here is the spoolie at the other end of it. And this is good. This is good. Let me see. Yep. So, yep, this would definitely work. Yeah, like I said, I don't have a whole lot of, you know, eyebrows. So that's okay. And I will put that aside. So that is my extra that I did actually do for add-on. And I think, is that it? I want to make sure because it's kind of like confusing because some of the things that should be in a bag is not in a bag. So, no, I think I have one more then. It looks like, okay. And this is a, oh yeah, PYT, I think it is. But I don't remember what it was. PYT. And I don't know why I got this. PYT and... oops. Okay, it's a quad. It's a quad eyeshadow. I liked it, and I think it was in the $5 bin of it. And so here it is. And I did read some good things about this actual eyeshadow. So I wanted to try it instead of buying and, you know, in a larger palette. I wanted to try this one. But here it is. And thinking about it now, I probably shouldn't have bought it. Only because I have these tones and... to have it in 4 and a quad, yeah, it's okay. It's all right. I'll think about it. I may just put this in a giveaway. And then I think that's it because the rest of it is for my bag. Okay, first thing that's in, not in the bag because it doesn't fit, but came in my bag is the Duo, which is a blueberry banana and peaches and cream. This is by the Creme Shop. And I have, I think, used this on video on one of the Mondays for you guys. And I really like it. And the reason why I did that at the time, if you recall, and if you saw that, is because we were going to get it in the bag. And I wanted you guys to know that it is pretty good. And I did enjoy it. And I had a couple of them from somewhere else because I do like... the Creme Shop, and it is K-Beauty, and so it's pretty good. Yeah, they're both made in Korea, and like I said, this is the blueberry and banana one is the one that I actually tried, and it was nice. I remember it being moisturizing, and it felt really nice once I took it off, and I did it twice, so I really liked it, and I was glad to see it in a bag. And this is the same except for in a different, I guess, variety. I can't say flavor because we don't need it, but this is the peaches and cream. So I'm actually very happy about that. So I am glad that I got this. And let me tell you about it. Does it say something? Yeah. It says here, the Creme Shop Fusion Sheet Mask Duo, Blueberry Banana and Peaches and Cream. For days or nights when your skin needs a quick pick-me-up, these sheet masks are the answer. Pop on the Blueberry Banana Mask for clearing and brightening benefits, and the Peaches and Cream Mask for gentle cleanse and some skin smoothing action. It says, tip, squeeze remaining essence from the pouch and massage into your neck and chest. And it is true. At the MSRP on these, the retail price is $3 per mask. And so, yeah, it is true. It does actually, the blueberry banana at least, it does brighten. And I think somebody mentioned that after I took it off that my skin did look a little bit brighter. So, yep, that's that. And they're $3 each. And the next thing in the bag is the berry and juice. And this is what? Berry and juice. Okay, it's 100% vegan lip gel and rose currant. And your lips need protection all year long. Reach for this healthy and hydrating lip gel whenever you need a moisture boost. It's made with shea butter and vitamin A and E to keep them soft, smooth, and happy. Tip, swipe on bare lips or as a topper for your fave lipstick. The retail price on it is $19. And so, you know what? I don't know if I'm going to keep it because I do have a lot of things like this. Oh, it is pretty. Look how pretty that is. That actually is a very pretty color. And so let me take a look real quick. It says vegan. It is vegan. It is cruelty free. And yeah, it looks okay. So I may keep it. I may not. If I don't, I'll put it in a future giveaways. You guys know that. Alrighty then. Next, what's in the box? What's in the bag? What's in the bag? Okay, is the Lottie of London. I think I've gotten millions of these. I mean, over the time from I think I have some in a box that I still need to give away from IPSY. And IPSY, I mean, these come in IPSY bags a lot. And so, but I don't ever use these because I have so many other type of blushes that little thing is just, yeah. No, I'm sure it's pretty good. I just don't need it. So what it says about it: Lottie London Ombre Blush in Serene, like a like a shot of espresso for your skin. This neutral pink blush wakes up tired looking skin in seconds. The powder formula is ultra soft, easy to blend, and gives skin the perfect lip from within flush. Tip: use a fluffy blush brush to swirl this in on the apples of your cheeks and your cheekbones. And so this is a deluxe sample, so it is $6.95. Okay, that's that. And I think, is this the last thing? Nope, a couple more things. This one here is by Arceli. This is another thing that we get a lot. And this is, Eyeliner by Arceli. I probably shouldn't have opened it, but it felt like kind of the top was loose anyway. And this is a black eyeliner, and I remember that this has very good pigmentation though, and it's very pigmented, but I have several of these already, so that's going into the giveaway right away. And so it says Araceli Beauty Ojos Perfectos Liquid Eyeliner and Night and Noche, which is perfect eyes liquid eyeliner. Ojos Perfectos, Spanish. Noche, night. So that's what it says. Okay, so anyway, create endless eye looks with this jet black liquid liner from beauty vlogger and entrepreneur Araceli. It's the precise felt tip that glides onto your lid smoothly for subtle flicks of dramatic wings. Plus, the long-lasting smudge-proof formula means you can wear it for hours. So it says tip, store your felt tip liner upside down to keep it from drying out. Okay, so the MSRP on this is $16 and it is full price. Okay, and the last thing was my choice. This is the one that, it's cute, teeny tiny bottle, but I have the big one, but I really love the product. And it is by OFRA, and here it is. And this is one of the best leave-in conditioners I have ever used, and I've used a lot. And there was another leave-in conditioner that I actually left for this one, and the thing is, I used that for like 20 plus years. And when I discovered this one, I was just so impressed with it. And later I did find out that this was developed by a hairdresser of the Kardashians. Had no clue. I had no clue that's who it was. And then I actually bought it because I was traveling and I forgotten it. And this is how I discover a lot of stuff. I forgot my, go-to. And I couldn't find it. And they had this, and in a little bit bigger bottle than this. And I said, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get that. And then once I used it, I was like, oh my God, the smell of it. I mean, the smell is so faint, but it has a very, very clean smell. And it's not overpowering like a lot of the leave-in conditioners. And it's not fruity. It's a very powdery, very fancy. It smells expensive, actually, and they're really not that expensive. I think it's $29 for the big bottle, but maybe it'll tell me that if I read this right. But I'm making a big deal because I really love the product. And so this is a celeb hair guru, Jen Atkin, created this buzz hair care line we can't get enough of. Whether you have coarse curls or straight, thick strands, or stick straight, say that 3 times real fast. Stick straight strands. This leave-in conditioner will detangle, minimize frizz, flyaways, and nourish every strand with amino acid, pentanol, and vitamin E. Says, tip, hair feeling dry and brittle, apply on each end each day. Okay, even dry, to prevent split end and breakage. It retails for, according to this, $26, just like I thought. Yeah, and I really, really love this brand. And if you haven't tried it, like I said, it'll work on any kind of hair, and I bet it does, because the really important thing for me is that when I'm in a climate that's really dry, I need something to keep down the frizz, especially in my bottom parts of my the ends, bottom parts of your hair, no, the ends of my hair. And because I do have gray hair, and then they're coarse, and so when I put this on and just like kind of run my hand through there, it's just so nice. They're like, okay, you're going on and on and on about hair but I leave-in conditioner, but it's good. Seriously, it's really, really good. And so yeah, if you got it in your bag, and if you by any chance chose it, Let me know below what you think, because I think I'm right on this one. At least for me it is. It works wonderful. So anyhow, so my beautiful wildflowers, I think that's it. That's in my bag, except for I wanted to show you the inside of the bag that it says, confidence comes from within, IPSY. I love this bag. This bag I will keep. Confidence comes from within, IPSY. And I like the fact that, you know, it's very simple, you know. And so, yeah, I'll be actually enjoying this bag. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers. Let me know what you thought of this bag, and please leave it below. And if you have any questions, also leave it below as well. And so right now, I think there is, yes, because this is being posted on Saturday, so there is a giveaway going on one of my other videos. So I hope you guys were able to check that out. And yeah. That's it. So I hope you guys had a really good weekend, or having a really good weekend, depending on when you're watching this, I guess. But anyhow, so if I added any value, please do hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you like this type of videos, please do consider subscribing and hitting that bell button so you'll know every time I upload a video. So I hope you have a good day. I hope you have a good night, good week, good weekend, whenever you're watching this. But regardless, remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.